back to my channel. Well, what I have for you today is a Dollar Tree haul. A lot of it is Easter decor, and then some of it is just some different things items that I picked up that I thought I might be able to use to make some DIYs with. So let me show you what I found. This is just a little bunny. I think she's so cute, and she's holding a banner that says spring. And this is paper, and it kind of flips up. So I don't know if I'll redo this, but I'm planning, I think, on doing something with this, okay? And then I saw these little Easter eggs, and they're so colorful and so cute. I love the yellow with the orange, and the orange with the yellow, and the blue and the green. I just love them all. I think they're very vibrant and pretty. And then I picked up the larger ones. They're a lot like the smaller ones, except you get less and they're bigger. So I picked that up. Then I did find a new find. Okay, I was really excited. At least it's new for me. They have this little red truck, and this was with the fairy garden items. And then the little camper that it pulls that says welcome. But I thought that was adorable. And for $1, look how cute that is. Okay. And then I picked up these flowers again, and they're ranunculus. I cannot say it. You all have told me how to say it. You'll just have to bear with me. I butcher it. Me and flowers, I love them, but I'm a mess, okay? But these are beautiful purple, and look inside how they have that tip of darker purple. I just love those. So I got 2 bunches of those. Then I got one of these metal hanging plant brackets, and I'm thinking about maybe doing something with it, but we will see, okay? And then I thought this scarf was really cute for $1. I mean, that would be cute in your hair. It would be cute to wear around your neck. It's just so pretty. I love all those colors, and it has the little tassels. Then when I saw this, I was in the checkout line. It says, all you need is love and a dog, and that reminds me of Maggie. That is so funny. I had to pick that up, but it's just a Furry Friends notepad. And then I saw this, live, love, bark, and wag, and that reminded me of her because she's always wagging her tail, but it has a cute little dog there too. Then I always pick up this when I go in there to make sure that I'm not out the little foam squares. And then I picked up 3 of the faux moss stones, 3 bunches of that. That's always good to have on hand. You can do so much with it. And then I saw this, and that just looks so pretty. You could put a plant in it. You could do a lot of different things with that, and for $1, you cannot beat it. They had different colors, but I gravitate towards these colors. And then I picked up this little one in the cream, and I love that diamond design that it has. And then I picked up, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this, but the burner cover set, and they had different ones. They had one that had coffee, and I don't remember the other. But this had a rooster, and I thought, oh, how farmhouse, and it could even be French country. And then it has the smaller one in the back. So I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with this, but we'll think of something, okay? And then I had to have my Raisinets. I love Raisinets. I love the dark chocolate or the milk chocolate. And I picked up the dark chocolate, and I think it's going to be so good. We may just have a movie night in the house and have our Raisinets. So that is all I found at the Dollar Tree. And so I would say Tuesday, well, naturally you'll see me on Monday with my Cricut, and then Tuesday I'll probably have a DIY, maybe a vlog. I'm really not sure, but like I said earlier in the Friday's video, I hope everyone is staying safe, and I just hope and pray that this virus just starts going back down, because it really is troublesome. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.